So sixth graders, one of the techniques that we talked about when we did our graffiti unit was how to create bubble letters. If you feel like you're struggling, this would be a great video to watch. I know that when I did my strawberry tutorial, I probably made it look very easy drawing the bubble letters because I've done it so much. So if you want to do something a little bit more, simple and break it down step by step, let's say maybe I'm going to do a fish, and you could even do the same letters that I am doing to really practice if you wanted to. I think a fish is kind of a more simple form, so I thought it would be a good way to show you how to do the text broken down step by step. So let's say that this is my fish shape, and maybe I want to just put the word fish in here, and maybe I can do fins or bubbles, but I want to keep it a little bit more basic. So in order to create your bubble letters, what you could do, if you don't feel like you're very confident drawing letters, is first you could draw the actual word in there, but fit it inside the shape that you drew. So I am just writing them in caps like I normally would, in capital letters, the word fish, but I'm, fitting it inside that shape. Now what I'm just going to do is go completely around each of my letters to do my bubble letters. So I'm going all the way around the letter F, and then what I can do is I can go back and erase that original line that I used. And I have myself a bubble letter. So now if I'm moving on to my I am going to draw a line around my I, and then go back and erase the original line. Then I have my bubble letter I. Now I'm going to start on my S, go around my S on both sides. So I'm starting with the left side, and now I'm moving on to the right side. Just like that. Then going back and erasing that original line. This is a great way to do bubble letters if you don't feel confident, drawing them freehand. Going around my H, and then erasing my original letter. So then at that point I have my fish word done. Now I just have to move on back here. Maybe I will do the word fin. So I'm going to do the letter F and fit it inside the fin shape, like that, fin. Then again, I'm going around my letter F, erasing my original line, going around my letter I. You can see that I did kind of a different style for the I here than I did with my fish. That's okay, you can switch up the style of the letters if you want. Then I'm going around my letter N, and erasing that original line again. Now at this point I've got all my letters finished, so I can erase the fish outline too. So I'm erasing that silhouette sketch that I created first. This would be a great way to create a logo for a business or something. It would be kind of fun. Now I just have the outline. So I could have fun with the fish. I could go in and add scales if I wanted to. So I could do like a scale pattern on the inside. I could do a little eye here if I wanted to. Could be kind of fun. And then do some colors around the eyes. I could, if I was into fishing. I'm not really good at fishing. I have done it once in Sweden, but I'm not great. Maybe I could even do like a hook or something. That might be a little bit more complicated. I could do the word hook, maybe. I could do H-O-O-K. Maybe I could do the word fisherman, F-I-S-H. I'm just going to do the word fishing. And then hook again. So now I've got my hook shape. I could create bubbles that maybe say, I'm trying to think of what word relates to fish. Maybe I could put sea in there, like under the sea. So I could do S, E, and then an A, and a bubble shape. So like I said, don't just feel like you have to do one. You can do more and add to your drawing. I would absolutely love that. If I wanted to maybe add like a boat at the bottom of the water, I could do that. I could add seaweed with the word seaweed in it. If I wanted to create some more on this one, I could maybe do a lemon, a blueberry, chocolate maybe, something like that. Maybe dripping chocolate coming off of it with the words chocolate on the inside. Have fun with it. And like I said, if you have more time, what you should be doing is just adding to your drawing. It's not due until Friday, so you have the opportunity to really fill up this page with several examples if you would like. So have fun. I hope this helps. And if you have any questions, please do feel free to comment on our Google Classroom.